sincerity. Sir, is it okay to eat chips and fish burger from McDonald's? I have inquired from the brothers who are working, who were working before, and they told me that the utensils, the plates or the pan in which they cook the chips and all those kind of things, the same are used for cooking the pork. So that is one of the issues which we have to remember, that Rasulullah ﷺ was in Medina, and a Sahaba used to travel to different part of the world, and they would come across some people. They were people of the scriptures, but they were drinking alcohol, wine, and all those kind of things. So one of the Sahabi asked Rasulullah, Ya Rasulullah, inna fi ardi ahli kitabin. Inna fi ardi ahli kitabin. Afa na'kulu fi aniyatihim. Ya Rasulullah, we are sometimes with the people of the scriptures. Are we allowed to eat in their utensils? So Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave them the answer. La ta'kulu fiha illa an la tajidu ghayraha faghsiluha wa kulu fiha. This is the guidance of Rasulullah, which I will tell you, and you have to follow by that if you will understand that. Alhamdulillah. He said that don't eat in their utensils, because they might be serving alcohol or pork or something which is haram for Muslims to eat in. So if they serve the same plates, don't eat in it. But if you are in a situation which refers to the same thing, like you are in the restaurant or you are in a McDonald's or any place where the mixed foods are served, in that place Rasulullah has said that you can eat only if you don't find any other place to eat, and if you don't find any other utensils to eat in, then you can eat in these utensils after washing them. So this is only the utensils, not the food itself. So when the food is cooked in those kind of mix of the oil, then who knows that it is pork oil is used to reused to cook the chips or the burgers, fish burgers. So it's better, alhamdulillah, to avoid. And I can't say 100% it's haram, but based on my students who have seen this, I can say it is haram. But still I'm saying it is. I didn't witness this because I'm not interested in going in those places. And so I say that it's better to avoid it, because there is still a doubt of being haram. So it's better to avoid it.